Immunodeficiencies, such as those caused by infections like the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, can result in severe complications, including heightened susceptibility to infections and potentially fatal outcomes, particularly when intertwined with other comorbid conditions. This scenario underscores the paramount role of the immune system as a critical guardian of health. The human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, has various transmission routes, emphasizing the necessity of comprehensive awareness about these methods to mitigate the risk of infection. Understanding the specific ways in which HIV can be spread is essential for individuals to effectively protect themselves and others. Preventive strategies against HIV encompass several key practices, including the avoidance of multiple sexual partners and the strict adherence to using sterile instruments during medical procedures. These measures are crucial for minimizing the chances of transmission and fostering a safer health environment. The origin of HIV remains a subject of investigation, with several hypotheses proposed, ranging from natural sources in animal reservoirs to the possibility of man-made origins. These theories significantly influence our understanding of the virus's epidemiology and inform our responses to the infection. Upon entering the host, HIV infection advances through multiple stages, each characterized by distinct symptoms that critically inform diagnosis and treatment options. Vigilant monitoring of the immune system's health becomes indispensable in managing these varying stages effectively. Furthermore, HIV's impact extends to the nervous system, where it can induce cognitive and memory impairments. Early recognition of these neurological symptoms is crucial, as it facilitates timely intervention and the formulation of integrated treatment strategies aimed at improving overall patient outcomes.